I want to look over my graph one more time and just make sure that I've got everything labeled. I have to have a title, and this title is not going to be acceptable. So I can double click it if it comes up. If not, you can look over here and see where it says chart title and axis. Expand it down. And I'm going to click on chart title. And I want it to be my series or my dependent variable or my y-axis versus my x-axis. And so what that's going to be is total mass versus total volume, total sample volume. All right. I also want to make sure that both of my axes are labeled correctly. So again, I've got chart title and axes. So if I click horizontal axis title, on the x-axis, I want it to read total sample volume, and I have to include the units. So I can put parentheses there, little m, capital L, and you'll see that it puts it there for me. And then again, my vertical axis, so chart and axis titles, and then I'm going to click vertical axis, and it's already the way I need it to be, total mass in grams. So when I look at my graph right now, it has my line, the R squared value, a correct title. I've got my trend line. Both of my axes are labeled with the units. I have one last thing to do. And what I want is I want this sheet to be on its own page. I do not want it to share. All right, so I'm going to come over here, customize, or setup. Let's see. So I'm going to go to customize. Give me a minute here. I always have to go through this a couple times before I get it. Okay, I know what to do. So I'm clicking on my sheet and I'm going to right click it. Okay, I'm right clicking on my sheet. And I'm going to, okay, I've got it now, guys. Sorry. I can close that little thing out. Click on the chart. You see these three dots right here? Click on those three dots and move to own sheet. I click on that and you'll notice that it brings your chart into its own sheet where it's very easily seen, very easily printed out.